This Sagittarius full moon is a wide-angle lens for your soul, pulling focus on the truth that's been hiding in plain sight. Hey there, this is Jojo from astrojo.com and Seventh Plane Healings with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. In this episode, we are exploring the Sagittarius full moon on the 31st of May 2026 at 6:41 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we're looking at a powerful opposition between the moon in Sagittarius and a cluster of planets in Gemini. We have the Sun, Uranus, and Ceres, and we'll look at how these frequencies are shaping your inner world right now. But just before we dive in, a quick note that if you want to work with planetary frequencies, I've been creating tuning fork packages with your own personal tune-up and plus a 20-plus page astrological report, as well as the ATTUNE Coherence Energy Pendants. Imprinted with frequencies many of you have been asking about, so there's more links in the description, or just reach out to me if you want to know more. And in this episode, we'll be looking at what the high pressure opposition means for your nervous system and your sense of purpose. We'll look at how to navigate the somatic static of the yod pattern, targeting your inner landscape. And then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork sound bath, which is designed to harmonize you with the frequencies of Sagittarius, expansive frequencies. So settle in. This one is vital, primal, and resonant. And we'll look at the astro breakdown first. And the astro weather for this full moon is complex. It's deeply transformative. So we have a heavy structural pull on Gemini Sagittarius axis. It's coupled with a rare finger of God, or Yod, also known as YOD. It's a pattern, and it's focusing directly on the moon. So we have the moon in opposition with the Sun, Uranus, and Ceres. This opposition creates a significant surge in your heart and your upper chakras. It can feel like a silver thread of electric clarity being pulled tight against a softening of the heart. And this is about finding coherence between your personal needs and the sudden breakthroughs appearing in your outer world. And we've got the moon trining Neptune, Vesta, Pallas Athena, and Saturn. So fortunately, we have a stabilizing fire trine. So this brings a weighted, dense stability to the root of your system, down in the root chakra, while simultaneously feeling the ethereal spaciousness. So it acts as a vibrational container, allowing the big vision of Sagittarius to feel grounded and safe within your inner landscape. And then we have the moon sextile Pluto and Juno. So this flow supports a transformative resonance in the subconscious. It's a rhythmic pulse that helps you stand in your own truth regarding your commitments and your deeper power, ensuring your energy field remains steady during this lunar peak. The moon is in the Yod pattern, whose moon is in conjunct Mars, Chiron, and Venus. So this is the finger of God. It creates a specific sensation within the heart and the root centers. Feels like an itch that you can't quite scratch. Functional tension. It's asking you to recalibrate how you assert yourself and how you heal to match your evolving heart-centered desires. So let's align with these cosmic frequencies. I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath. And just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I expand into the primal vitality, steadying my vision as I rise. I expand into the primal vitality, steadying my vision as I rise. just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, just feeling balance and harmony within. And if you would like your own personal astrological tune-up, let's check out my packages on astrojo.com. You'll get a personal astrosonic sound bath with your astro breakdown, like this, but just for you. Also the sound bath only portion and the audio as well, so both video and audio, so you can loop it on audio if you like, so you can meditate and just have it repeating every time you need a quick tune-up. And we get a guide plus a 90-day integration checklist to help you, stay in tune. And an astrosonics resonance summary, which is a summary of your chosen package and how it affects you. And the manual, which is a full time passages report, astrological report, and it's a deep dive into your natal blueprint or your solar return or your transits, which just depends on which package you choose, and a custom astrological chart image. Great birthday ideas, Christmas gifts, if you want something a little different. And also, if you're looking for something a little different, I have my ATTUNE Coherence Bioresonance jewelry. This is the pendant, and it's designed to anchor your nervous system and shield your biofield from modern environmental stress. It features this hand-wound copper bifiller coil, which is cut to the length of the sacred cubit, and it resonates at 144 Hertz, plus it's imprinted with supportive frequencies using a Rife machine and scalar field technologies to imprint them into the holographic material that's inside the pendant, and also to the copper coil. So you can find out more at seventhplanehealings.com. It's also charged with a theta healing energy download. So you just, if you want it, you just say yes and it's available to you. So if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe to help support my channel. Thank you for joining me. And there's also a Spotify version if you just want to listen to the audio without the video playing. Let's tune into the universe together.